Boy, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm going to tell you guys real quick the importance of you dispatchers out there, especially you guys who aspire to become dispatchers and start your own dispatching company, or for you owner-operators.
Where you at?
This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Yeah. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Yeah. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties putting up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. Yeah. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Yeah. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Yeah. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. Hot shot stay ready to book a load. Many movement truck scene all over the road. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Running miles every day, keep me free of stress. Travel in your own lane, there isn't any traffic. Moving quick and strategic, gotta secure the package. Gotta take it and make it more than what it's worth. I came up from the bottom, used to be in the dirt. Self-made and doing things extraordinary. Going lateral and vertical, it's more than scary. Self-made, doing things extraordinary. Generational wealth accumulated before I'm buried. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties putting up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up.
CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.
Man, I'm out here, man. Got my 1985 Monte Carlo SS. It's been in here for a while, man, but they making some progress, man. Black and yellow, you see it right here.
CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.
Man, get the interior for me, man. Got the interior about to get put in. Black and yellow seats going. Black and yellow rally stripes. Man, we out here, man. Let's get to it.